It stopped snowing for a while on Monday in Buffalo, New York, just long enough for people to start digging out and to give emergency responders a chance to look for more victims from the winter storm that dumped 1.2 meters of snow since Friday, with another 15 to 30 centimeters still expected on Tuesday. The dead were found just about everywhere, inside and out.
Those that are deceased actually on streets in our community who were trying to walk out during storm conditions got disoriented and passed away out in the street. People who passed away in cars, and to retrieve people who passed away in homes.
The storm was made worse by howling winds. Thousands of people in the area are still without power as substations were knocked offline. There is a driving ban in much of Buffalo, but most of the roads are impassable anyway. Even snowplows are getting stuck. There are reports of looting in convenience stores that are closed. Emergency crews, including the National Guard, are still hunting for stranded cars and the people trapped inside. Across the nation, the storm is blamed for around 50 deaths in 9 states. And Monday brought new misery for airline travelers. Waves of storm-related cancellations and delays from late last week stretched into the start of this week. Southwest Airlines was particularly hard hit. More than half of its flights were canceled on Monday. Long lines of weary Southwest passengers snaked around ticket kiosks and information boards. People used their luggage as pillows.
We've been in line for 3 hours. We already told them 3 hours. See, everybody's so frustrated. We all have the same story.
I had like dozens and dozens of different airports. I called the airline and they tried, but there's like no availability until after Christmas.
There is some good news on the horizon. In the next few days, the eastern U.S. is in for a much higher than normal temperature jump. Buffalo will see a high of around 11 degrees Celsius. But with that will come the threat of flooding when all this snow starts to melt. Andy Rosen, TRT World, Washington.